sewing machine was first invented, it used a hand wheel or hand crank to drive the machine. The hand wheel was actually quite large by comparison to later machines and was maybe half the size of the overall machine. In time, the machines became more fine-tuned and smaller hand. The hand crank is locked in position, and we simply move it down, lock it in position. And as you can see, you can move it either way. If you move it this way, the machine will drive the feed dogs backwards. If you go the other way, you will pull them forwards. The original hand crank machine produced by Elias Howe was able to do 250 stitches per minute, which was equivalent to 5 expert hand sewers, and the difference was that the machine didn't get tired.
The creation of a foot-controlled or foot-powered treadle system was one of the significant advantages and advancements in the invention of the sewing machine.
As we can see here, uses one thread system on the top, and it uses another thread system on the bottom.